Okay, so far we have understood what is a physical quantity. Every physical quantity have three parts: magnitude, prefix, and your unit. Today we're going to look at 5 base quantities that we are covering in physics. All right, so these are like the 5 basic building blocks of the entire curriculum ahead. All right, so the rest of the units are actually combination of all this. Okay, so the first one, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mass. All right, so the base quantity mass, mass is one of the base quantities and is measured in grams. Right. Next we have length. You need to know length. Length is measured in meters, okay, followed by time. Time we use seconds, okay, followed by current. We measure it in amperes. And lastly, temperature. So for temperature, okay, you have to especially remember, okay, we don't measure it in degrees Celsius. That's not the official one, but later you might measure in degrees Celsius, but we actually measure it in kelvins. All right, is that a name? Yes, that is a name, Lord Kelvin. Okay, invented this temperature, which is the triple point of water. Okay, you will study that a lot more next time. Okay, so these are base quantities. All right, Kelvin, ampere, seconds, meters, and mass. Okay, for mass, we add a prefix before grams. Okay, we add the kilo. All right, but this all here, these are what we call the SI units. Okay, means that these are the standard instrumental units that we use in physical quantities. All right, so how does this base thing works? For example, if we take a combination of speed, of length and time, you can actually have a quantity which we call speed, right? And you might have learned about speed in your primary school, and then speed is measured in meters per seconds. So what do you see over here? The combination of two base quantities, all right? Okay, and how about length and mass? Okay, you can actually have a quantity which we call density, okay, which is mass over volume. So your unit is actually kg per meter cube, all right? So you see over here, density is also made out of a combination of two base quantities, current and time, okay? Later on, you will learn about this entity which we call charge. Okay, charge, and charge is actually ampere second, all right? But we actually create another unit which we call the coulombs, okay? Which you'll learn about it later on, okay? So quickly, let's just touch a little bit more on Kelvin. So how much is 0 Kelvin? So 10 Kelvin is actually negative 273 degrees Celsius. Right, so that is how you convert Kelvin to degrees Celsius. This is good general knowledge, although it may not really be in your syllabus for combined science, but in pure science, yes. Okay, so these are the 5 base quantities that you need to be very familiar of, and you need to remember their SI units: Kelvin, ampere, seconds, meter, and kilogram. All right. Okay, so that's all. Let me draw you a nice guy. SI units. All right. See you in the next video.